after 11 and it's our last day, unfortunately. I'm just filling up with some gas and we're gonna head home. Got some McDonald's. Can I just say the McDonald's here is so cheap compared to at home? Like, it's ridiculous. It was like $12.72 for 2 large meals. Babe, how cheap is the McDonald's here?
Too cheap? No wonder they're all
And so is gas.
No wonder they're all fat.
And so is gas. He just filled up for
$34.
$34.76.
Well, almost filled up. I was just a little bit below. I was at about, I want to say, quarter tank, maybe less. So I filled up 3/4 of tank for $34.
And how much would that have been at home?
Like 45, maybe 50.
It's so cheap here. Why are we going home?
I don't know. I want to stay.
Me
Watch.
too.
It's gonna be over the top. Oh, almost.
Pretty much full.
No, it is. It's slowly going now. It
Oh,
always
yeah.
does that right at the very end.
Nice.
All right, time to go.
That's what's up. Going home. Unfortunately, got our little crabs down here.
Crabs are chilling in the front seat.
Hanging out with me the whole way home.
In the front.
About halfway home, we just stopped in Tacoma. Just outside of Tacoma, Washington, for Chipotle. So we have Chipotle at home, but we only have one in downtown Vancouver, so we had to just get it. Really hot.
Yeah, my car's always really hot though.
Yeah, but like when we were driving through Tacoma, like my leg was burning. The sun was directly on me the whole time. But we're gonna go to the Seattle outlet malls and do some shopping before we head home. So we just did something really exciting. Well, I did. He helped. We finished at the outlets, and I may have splurged a little bit for my birthday. He said it was okay. He convinced me. It's all him. Yeah. They have just got a purse and a wallet, and I'm really excited about it. It's honestly really disappointing in there. Like, everything was either not a good deal or lack of items. So that's why he let me splurge today. I'm really excited. We're stuck in probably about the 3-hour border lineup. So we're playing with crabs.
Yeah.
Walking across the dashboard.
Patrick, you can't get in there.
Patrick, that goes nowhere.
He's like, but there's, I can see through it. Yeah, that's gonna be really funny when he gets to that. Like, how the fuck am I moving?
It's like, I can see the outside. I can't get there, though. Yeah, you walk along that dash.
Told you that nothing was gonna happen.
Okay, Spider-Man, you jealous?
Yeah, Spider-Man's like, I wanna go play.
Spider-Man's jealous. How to keep yourself entertained at a border.
Stop, you're honking.
We've been at the border for like 2 hours.
No. Been at the
Hour and a
border
half.
For,
Hour and a half.
no, like 45 minutes.
No, we haven't.
Yeah.
No. We got here at like 7.
I don't think so.
Yeah, we did. An hour and 45 minutes. We got here at like, because the first time I looked at the clock, sitting in line, it was 7:15. So, it's currently what, 8:30? 8:30. So close, but so far.
We gotta go over there, not there.
Oh, we're going over there apparently.
Oh yeah, you get it, girl.
Hey guys, so it's currently 11:44. I've been home for a couple hours, but I just kind of unpacked like half my stuff and watched Big Brother with my mom and opened some cards and stuff from my family for my birthday. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching if you stuck through these vlogs. It was a really, really fun, relaxing trip. I know I didn't get that much footage, but first of all, these are my first vlogs I've ever done, so my apologies. And second, it was kind of like a romantic birthday getaway, so I didn't want to vlog everything, but it was really fun, and I'm really sad to be home. But I got to see my puppies, so Phil's gone home. He was supposed to stay the night, but we're both pretty exhausted, so he's just gonna come over tomorrow, and he wanted to sleep in his own bed. So it's just me and the crabs. It's gonna be weird to sleep alone tonight, but I really hope you guys did enjoy these videos, and maybe I will start to vlog a little bit more.